What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 57 and today's topic will be distinct operator. So it is more or less similar to the SQL or Oracle, whatever database or RDBMS you guys are familiar, but I'm not going to talk about all those things, but rather I will explain what is distinct operator with respect to NEO4J CYPHER. So this is actually basically part of the aggregation operator, so it comprises of only one operator, that is called distinct operator. Actually it is remove all the duplicate values and will give you the only unique values from a list or similar sort of data. Okay, so probably I just created one sample graph. I'll be actually this is kind of a graph. So what I'll do, I'll try to use distinct operator and I will display what are the distinct teams or unique teams available within this graph. Okay, so this is our example graph. For example, Suarez plays for Barcelona, Messi plays for Barcelona, and Ronaldo plays for Juventus. So there are only two distinct teams, right? So we'll try to use distinct operators to display the distinct teams. Okay, so let me quickly open this thing. So let me check if anything is here. No, nothing is there. So first of all, I need to create the nodes. Okay, a player. So Messi, so I'm actually right now I'm doing just creation of the graph. Okay, and here see. Okay, so 3 nodes created with 3 labels. Let's check. Fine, perfect. Now we'll create 2 team. Okay, so it will be Juventus, it will be team, and this will be again. Okay, something happened. Well, there is a comma here, so that is why. So 2 teams created. So let's check. Now altogether there will be 5 nodes. Okay, not sure what. Yes, it is here actually. So see, everything is here. So now we need to establish the relationship. Okay, so match a player name Messi. Okay, another will use match will be the team Barcelona, just creating the relationship now. So A plays B. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. Something is not working. Exit white space. Okay, B team name, create A R1 place B. Okay, so this is going to be like this. So there was a typo, that's why. So one relationship created. Now we'll check another one. Suarez, again he also plays for Barcelona. So done. Now we'll change this thing Juventus and we'll change it to Ronaldo. Okay, created. So now we'll check what are the structure of the graph now. Okay, Messi plays for Barcelona, but what happened? Why Suarez was not there? What happened? Let me check. Okay, there's a spelling mistake. SURAREZ. Sorry, Suarez. If someone is fan of Barcelona, they will just kill me. Okay, probably I can change it. Okay, now it is created. Okay, so everything is here. Now the main part. So what I'll do, I will try to write the whole code as a separate Python file and as well as Cypher query later, but now we have this structure of this graph is ready. If you see, this is a structure. Ronaldo plays for Juventus, Suarez plays for Barcelona, Messi plays for Barcelona. So what I'll do, I will now try to use this thing like distinct operator to find out what are the different or unique teams are available. So match a player, okay, with a place B where B team B dot name as teams, return distinct teams as team underscore name. So let's check. Some typo again. Okay, Juventus and Barcelona, this is returning. Now if you don't do this thing, see, let's see what is happening. Barcelona will come two times. See, so a match player means there are 3 players. So Barcelona is for Messi, Barcelona is for Suarez, and this is for Juventus. But if you use this distinct, so it will only return Barcelona only once. Okay, so this is how it is. So probably we can write this thing here. Okay, it will return the below. So I'll just attach the screenshot. I think that is perfectly fine. Okay, so I will try to do the same thing from Python. So probably I can just remove this thing and take a copy paste of this thing from here. Okay, let's use this for I in result print I. Let's see what is happening. See, this is also true, so I will just take a screenshot of this thing. Probably I can just put it over here. So actually this is easier, because anyways guys, I'll be going to upload the source code, so I don't want to mess up this like slide, because anyways it is not going to fit here. So okay, so and if someone is looking for the source code of this thing, probably I can create, or probably just remove this thing, build graph code. So I'll put this thing here as well, so just give me some time, or else later I'll definitely forget. So this is how it is. First run this thing. Okay, then we should create teams. Okay, so guys, it will be easier for you guys to practice later. Okay, so this is actually definitely help all of you. So if someone is going to use our graph, fine, this is a code for the graph, so you can just run this thing and you will get this nice looking graph, and after that you can just play around with this queries. So guys, don't worry, I'll again upload the whole source code for this Python file in the GitHub repository, so it will be easier for you guys to practice. But that is not the important thing, because whatever I am currently doing, it will only give you some sort of idea what is this thing and how you can use. But ultimately you need to do some sort of practice, then only will be like get some more and deeper understanding of the distinct things, because until and unless you are going to use these things with your real world application or real world use cases, you will not be able to get any sort of confidence. So I will highly recommend you guys to do some sort of practice, start writing your own code, which actually I'm repeating since the first video. Probably for last 2-3 months I'm saying the same thing, but I'm just sharing my own feedback, guys. Actually in this way only I started learning, because I just only followed the NEO4J official guide, and after that I just gone through each and every page and start writing my own code using this Cypher and Python. And just because we are going to develop one IBM Watson driven application, artificial intelligence based, and that database will be NEO4J and will be using Python for our functional or the base programming language. That is why I'm using Python after every Cypher query. Okay, so if someone is watching our channel for the first time or this video for the first time, for them actually I'm just giving this brief introduction, but I know many of you are actually our regular viewer. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, keep watching our videos, keep subscribing to our channel, keep sharing our videos to your family, friends, whoever is relevant. And if you have any suggestion, feedback, comments or any complaint, please write me. I will try to improve our quality. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice vacation, because the Christmas vacation is going on. So